Election-related conflicts and violences are occurring in almost every nook and corner of the state and is still ongoing in many constituencies. Another incident took place on October 29 afternoon around 3:30 p.m. when a group of women escorted by policemen gunfired and pelted stones with slingers by workers of intending candidate of Bjp of Khangabok Assembly Constituency, KH Menjor Mangang. The incident took place at Khangabok Part 3, Lamlong Makhalekai, Khangabok constituency. The two women injured are Thokchom Roma, resident of Khangabok Part 1, and Ningthaujam Revika. In a press conference conducted by Secretary of Women Organization Khangabok, WOK, Laishram Bino strongly condemned the incident and explained the conflict was due to the meeting that was conducted by KH Menjor Mangang and held at the residence of 1 Morangthempa Brita, which was against the decision taken on June 29, 2019 by the joint group of Oiba Zilla Parishad Khangabok Pradhan Youth and Mahila of Khangabok. Laishram Bino urged to take action against those policemen who simply watched on when the workers of KH Menjor Mangang mishandled them. She further expressed the entire incident was captured on video footage and declared KH Menjor Mangang as an incompetent leader.